Yeah, got it all cleaned out, working. Pumping, this is just basically soap and water, the Zep cleaner. And I've got the fire closer, or whatever you want to call it, for in case there's a fire, but it's water, so there's no fire hazard here, which is a good thing. Farsol's dangerous. Anyway, I took apart the tailstock, and I got to get it all cleaned up. It's got a few more things to do on the sandblasting cabinet, and then I'll put it all back together. This is all how it. That's the slide, squeeze, whatever, the stop. There's the other half of it. And this is the bottom part of the tailstock. They had paint on everything. So I got to clean all that out, and then into the washer, and then sandblast, and then back together. It's just a bit of an update for you people. Here's the cleaner I'm using, and mixed it with water, so it's not too much of a hazard. Safety shield, just in case. Still working. Anyway, a bit of an update. Thanks for watching.